Today I'm going to show you how to make enchilada sauce from scratch, just the way my abuelita would make it for delicious cheese enchiladas. Okay, to start, I've already boiled and simmered and steeped 8 to 10 guajillo chiles and 2 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to puree this, and I'm also going to be adding a little bit of that liquid, the boiling liquid. Here I'm going to add some chicken bouillon powder and some ground cumin seeds. The way you season and spice your enchilada sauce is really up to you. Here I'm going to add some salt, cover with a lid, and I'm going to puree that. And that's very simple and easy. And you can skip the chicken bouillon powder, just add salt, or even add chicken broth. Okay, this is ready. I'm also going to be using cold corn tortillas and queso fresco. Simple ingredients. So I'm cooking outside because I have a lot going on in my backyard right now, and I'm making lunch. So a little bit of cooking oil on the griddle. And then I'm just going to dunk the cold corn tortillas in the sauce and add it right onto the oiled griddle. And you cook it on each side until it softens and sizzles. Add your cheese, flip it over, and that is the enchilada. It's so simple. And I'm really thinking about my grandmother today because she's been sick, she's in the hospital, and you know, this is just childhood comfort food for me. And it's very simple. If you want more than cheese as a filling, add some shredded chicken into the mix. I do that as well. By the way, this third one sort of softened and folded in on itself, so I gave up. So these do not take long to cook once you cook them on each side. So I'm going to plate these up. And to garnish, I love thinly sliced onion. And I just add that on top. You don't have to do that. I add the crema. If I had fresh avocado that was ripe, I would add that. By the way, my crows are probably looking at me right now. I need to get them snacks. And then just add more cheese. And these are my favorite. Very simple, delicious, filling, and easy to make. Sometimes I like to put an egg on top, but just this is just so nostalgic for me. And a cold front came through. It was hot the other day, remember? But let me show you the project I'm working on. So if you see over there, hold on. Let's see. I'm digging an 8x8 square because I'm going to put pavers for like a slab paver patio. And I have to dig, level it out at a slope because my yard is sloped. And then I'm going to add gravel, sand, and then just make sure that it's level the way I want. I'll put a little bistro patio table just with 2 chairs. Little by little, I'm just going to work on my backyard. It's a little therapeutic these days. The older I get, the more I want to be outside. So right now, a lot of you that have followed me for a long time are well aware that I get inspired from both of my grandmothers. My paternal grandmother passed away when I was like 9. My maternal grandmother is still living. She's 90, and she's in the hospital right now. She had a bad fall, and for those of you that know, I was born and raised in Houston, Texas, and that's where she's always lived. But recently, as I think it was last year or the year before, we moved her to San Antonio to be closer to my aunts and uncles, her children. And so she has lived a long life. I hope she's okay. But I was thinking about her today, and that's why I made these enchiladas for lunch. So for those of you that have seen my grandmother on my channel, send good vibes, and I hope she pulls through, but she's 90, so I just hope she's not in too much pain and she recovers soon to at least be comfortable. So, abuelita, te quiero muchísimo. I hope you get better. Okay, so have a great day, everyone. These enchiladas, I love them. Give them a try. And always check the description below my videos. I like to put additional links or information below, especially when it comes to the ingredient list. So good.